Guys, as we discussed in our previous lesson, that is the why do we share the files and folders, guys? So that all the computers in the same network, other computers, can access the files, our files, without coming to our desk, without asking for our username password. So that's why people create the shares, guys. So now the next command we will be seeing, like sessions. This is also one of the important command for the security admin or system admin to see what all the active connections are made to our computers. If I am not, yes, so this command is correct, guys. So you need to run this command as administrator because showing as access is denied. I used to run this command way long before, guys, but for it, like if you want to become good in all the topics, you need to know the basics too, and these are very important when you want to develop the uh, red team test cases. Now I ran it as a administrator. There are no entries in this list. So this is used to display all the active connections to, let's say someone hacker is connected to your computer, then you can see like who is connected to your computer using this command, guys. So the active connection now, not the previously connected, now whatever the active connection is there. So net space sessions is very important. Like being a security consultant, hacker, you should know like what all the files are shared on your machine, how to stop them, to identify who is connected to your computer, right? Immediately take the screenshot, note down the IP addresses, and take the necessary actions, which I am gonna show in later stages.